G'day. Are you doing anything special for the Queen's Jubilee? This is Ted, and I thought this month we're going to be doing a bit of drawing using a stick, and Ted is going to model this wonderful number that could look wonderful on you if you're having a Jubilee party. It's a combined effort from two artists, Georgina Macaulay's Milliner and Liz Danby, me, with some lovely glass adornment on it. Okay, now Ted is just going to take a seat over here and he's going to be my life model. We'll pop Ted over here. There. Very nice. Now for a bit of fun, if you're having a Jubilee party, right? And I think I'll get Gayle to do this. We've got a stick, and on the end of the stick I've got some compressed charcoal, because a lot of people, as they draw, they get tighter and tighter and tighter, right? And we want to free up a bit again. We want to get our creative juices flowing, and this might even be something that you might like to do if you're having a party with a group of friends. So, I mean, it's just fun, really, isn't it? And I was asked today, are you doing anything for the Jubilee? And I thought, no, I'm not. But now I've got some ideas that I'm happy to share with you. So, over here, we've got Leeds Ted, right? On the ground, I've got my paper, and I've stuck it on with some masking tape. What we're going to do, okay, is a continuous line contour drawing. Okay, so I'm going to start with my charcoal, and I'm going to try and draw the teddy. I'm going to try and draw Teddy's wonderful hat, or it's too good for a hat, headpiece. Okay, now all in one without actually looking at what I'm drawing. Okay, so it's bound to look incredible, right? So here we go, and it doesn't have to take long. It's a bit. I feel a bit like it's like pin the tail on a donkey or something, right? So I've got those big Teddy feet. I've got Teddy's body. You could, if you didn't have a Leeds United Teddy Bear, you could put a wonderful hat on a child or on a person who might be coming to your party. Right, we're going to get that wonderful golden headpiece. They almost become cartoon-like. You need to really get in some key bits, like perhaps your eyes, a nose, a little bit of a mouth. I'm trying to make full use of the page. You could have a competition, okay, as to who uses the page best, who adds colour, whose is the most expressive. Wow, the list goes on, really, doesn't it? Anyway, I'm going to hold up now the end product. All right. And I'll see how mine compares with Gayle Lofthouse when we do her next week. So be sure to tune in at 12:15, Radio Leeds, Thursday, Up for the Arts. See you then. Hooroo. Bye.